Okay, here we have the Heat Seal Model 115. It's the HS115 shrink packaging unit. This machine is a semi-automatic shrink packager. Again, we have our material that rides right here on the cradle. We do have multiple perforators that will perforate the material so that the air can escape quickly. We have our work bed here. We go ahead and put our material in, drag it over, drop the heat sealer, and where it will go ahead and do the L seal, and then we drop it into the heat shrink tunnel here, and packages come out. Nice. This is a very nice machine. You have separate control over the shrink tunnel, and separate control time on the dwell as far as how long the L sealer is down. And then of course we have actual temperature controls on the tunnel conveyor itself, as well as the speed of the tunnel conveyor. So you can crank it up pretty fast once this thing comes up to temperature. But again, it runs on 115 volt. Actually, it requires a 20 amp 115 line. I'm actually running it on a 15 amp line right now, so assuming I don't pop a breaker, normally you could seal a little more rapidly than what it's going to show you today. So I'm going to hand my camera off to my associate. Again, I'm just going to take an 8.5 by 11 ream, slide it under the work table, then just go ahead, pull it forward, drop it down, drop the L sealer, go ahead and push it in the tunnel, and then we would just take our next package, toss it in there, drop the sealer. Let's see, main power switch here. Again, these controls. And out comes our package, and again, it's nice and shrink wrapped, nice and tight. And we'll go ahead and run it through a few more times just so you can see it work. Wheel standing action, folks. This machine is in mint condition, as you can see. It's like new. It has very little use on it. There it is. We can go ahead and adjust this workstation here. Will go up or down depending on the size, the thickness of what we have to work with. You can do up to a 12 by 18, up to about 7 inches high.